So we're going to go over the procedure for setting up your Dolphin NeuroStim kit. If you open the Dolphin case, you have a Dolphin Blue Tip vagus nerve stimulator in there. You're going to open up your vagus nerve box. In there you're going to have a bag full of electrodes. You're going to have a white cord that may actually be in your electrode bag. You're going to have a couple of alcohol pads. You're going to have a black cable with a connector that connects over the tip of the Dolphin unit, and I'll pull all these out in just a minute. And you're also going to have a bag that has 3 ear clips in it. There's a quick application guide for COVID long haul, how to apply the electrodes, and also a Vagal Up COVID long haul book. All right, so we're going to go over the assembly of the Dolphin Vagal Nerve Stim kit. So you're going to have a Dolphin Blue Tip. You're going to have a black connector cable that's located in the Dolphin Vagal Up kit. Also, there will be a package that has some black ear clips. There should be 3 of them. In the bag with the electrodes, there's a white connector cable. You're also going to pull out a pack of the rectangular electrodes and a pack of the oval electrodes. Also, you will find a small package of alcohol pads. To assemble the system, you're going to take the connector cord. There's a metal plate inside this cup. It's got to touch down on the metal tip of the unit. So you must push it firmly down. Turn the unit on, touch the metal plate, grab the male connector on the other end. When you do that, the light should go out and the pitch should go up. Once you've tested that, turn the unit off, connect the ear clip with the male to female connector, take the white ground cord, connect the male end to one of the oval electrodes, turn the Dolphin kit over, connect the oval pad on the metal plate on the back of the Dolphin NeuroStim kit. Then connect the other end of the ground cord to the white rectangular electrodes. So now your Dolphin kit is ready to be applied.